as the hours go by, I'm getting a little bit more haggard looking. I am off to Changi Airport and I'm gonna be traveling on the longest flight in the world. I leave at 12:40 Singapore time and then I'm gonna be arriving at 5:30 a.m. New Jersey time. So I'm gonna be documenting this 18-hour journey. So right now I am off to the airport. Just showered, brushed my teeth, I'm ready to hop on that 18-hour flight. I have the entire back row to myself.
It is normal for the bag to not.
We are 7 hours into our flight out of 18, and we were served dinner about an hour into our flight, which was pretty good. It was, I had fish, mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, and the other option was a tofu dish for vegetarians. Everybody got an amenity kit, and it's really nice. So you get like no slip airplane socks, which is awesome, and then this really great eye shade. Oh, it's been a little hard to sleep. You know, the seats don't recline back as far as you'd really like them to. I'm in the very back row, so I have 4 seats to myself. So normally what I do is I'll just like lift up the arm rests and just lay flat, but because it's premium economy, they're all individual seats. So what I actually did was I lay flat on the floor for about an hour and like had myself covered in all these blankets. And then I got caught and I was like felt the tap tap tap. I tried to play it off like I was fast asleep. And then I got the second tap, tap, tap. And she was like, sorry, no sleeping on the floor. Then let's also talk about the amenities in the bathroom. So even in premium economy, you get mouthwash, which is really nice. Just to kind of like, I don't know, feel fresh. Feel fresh every now and then. And then facial mist. Oh, let me try it. Oh, that's quite nice. Journey. We had breakfast and I had this like egg frittata. It was pretty good and it's chicken sausage, and it also came with a croissant and a strawberry yogurt, so it's actually pretty good. And then they served any kind of like juice, tea, or coffee that you wanted. As the hours go by, I'm getting a little bit more haggard looking. On and off, not a whole lot of sleeping. One of my biggest tips for this 18-hour flight would be to make sure you get up, walk around. I went to like the back where like the galley is and that looked absolutely ridiculous, but I just started doing some stretches, especially like for my back and my shoulders and like my neck. Because I have the entire back seat to myself. There's like 4 seats in a row. I was actually like able to do like just some more stretching just in my seat area. So I do some like, I'm just gonna like try to lay as flat as I could. And then just like kick my leg up and down. I would like go into half bridge to stretch out my back, which felt amazing. And yeah, so just make sure you're getting up and then stretching every couple of hours. 1 more hour to go. So here's what we got for breakfast.
just landed in Newark International Airport and I got to try out.
Next stop is Terminal C. Airlines serving Terminal CR.
Let's quickly talk about global entry. So this is something that Nathan and I did about a year ago, and we had to go through a whole interview process, but I have to say I just tried it out this morning. So once I landed in the Newark International Airport, all I did was look for the signs that said global entry, and I had my card, and you just go straight to the kiosk. You just like scan your passport and then do 4 fingerprints, and then you briefly talk to a agent. I was through within 5 minutes, and everyone else was like standing in a long line. It's so worth it to have global entry.